Now we are going to see exercise 2.8 sums. 6th Roman, second sum, 3 plus 33 plus 333 plus and so on to n terms. So write the question 3 plus 33 plus 333 plus and so on to n terms. First of all, we are going to take 3 as common. If you take 3 common, then you get 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus and so on to n terms. So the same step, whatever you do in the before sum, the same step only you are going to do here. Multiply and divide by 9. So divide means you have to write outer side. Multiply means you have to multiply each term in this bracket. So write 3 by 9. 1 into 9 are 9. 11 into 9 99. 111 into 9 you will get 999 plus and so on to n terms. So cancel this. 3 ones are 3 3s are. You will get 1 by 3. 9 I am writing 10 minus 1. 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1 plus and so on to n terms. So take the first terms 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus and so on to n terms. Next one minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 you know. So in these terms I am taking minus as common. Open the bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on to how many terms n is repeated? N terms. To n terms. Okay. So here 10 write as it is 100 you can write it as 10 square. 1000 you can write it as 10 cube plus and so on to n terms. Again here it forms an GP. In this GP, A equal to 1 and R is also 1. So what is Sn formula? If R equal to 1, what is Sn? An you know. So A means 1 into n. So you will get answer as n. So n into 1 you will get n. Okay. Next here. So this is forms an GP. That is common ratio will be 10. So A equal to 10. R equal to T2 by T1 and we get 10 only. Number of terms is 8. So here R is 10, that is greater than 1 or less than 1? Greater than 1. What formula you have to use for Sn? Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Okay? Say this 1 by 3. A means 10 into R power n now 10 power n minus 1 by R minus 1 means 10 minus 1 minus n into 1 and get n here. Okay. So 1 by 3 into 10 power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 you get 9 minus 9. Now I am going to take this 1 by 3 into the bracket. So multiply 1 into 10 you will get 10. 3 9s are 27 into 10 power n minus 1 minus 1 into n. Here 3 you know divide by 3. So we will get 10 by 27 into 10 power n minus 1 minus n by 3. So write the last step. Therefore 3 plus 33 plus 333 plus and so on to n terms equal to 10 by 27 into 10 power n minus 1 minus n by 3. Next we are going to see 7th sum. Find the sum of the geometric series 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus and so on plus 1536. So we are going to find the sum of this geometric series. Here say this, we doesn't know the number of terms. How many number of terms should be in this series we doesn't know. So first we are going to find the n value. So write the series as it is 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus and so on 1536. A first term is 3. R P2 by P1 are 6 by 3. You will get 3 1s are 3 2s are. You will get 2 which is greater than 1. So nth term of the GP. So how to find nth term? You have to use only the Tn formula. Tn equal to A into R power n minus 1. So Tn here last term you have to take 1536 equal to A now 3 into R is 2 power n minus 1. So send this 3 to the left hand side. You get divide 1536 by 3 equal to 2 power n minus 1. 3 1s are 3 5s are 50. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. So you get 512 equal to 2 power n minus 1. So for 512 if you do prime factorization you will get 2 power 9 equal to 2 power n minus 1. Here the bases are equal, so powers are also equal. So by equating the powers, 9 equal to n minus 1. Send this minus 1 to the left hand side. We will get 9 minus 1 equal to 10. So n equal to 9 plus 1 equal to n. We will get n equal to 10. Number of terms in this series is 10. Okay. So number of terms we will find n value. Next move on to Sn. Sum up to n terms. Sn equal to, here r is greater than 1, you know. So we have to use this formula. A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Okay, so 3 into 2 power 10 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. 3 into 2 power 10 na 1024 minus 1 by 1. Subtract these two, you get 1023. So 3 into 1023 now you get 3069. Therefore 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus and so on 1536 equal to 3069. So did you understand this? Move on to the next sum. Example 2.50. Find the rational form of the number 0.6666 and so on. 6 will goes like this. Okay. So we are going to represent this decimal number into a rational number. Already we studied this in 9th standard. Using the GP formula, we are going to express that number into a rational number. So we can express the number 0.666 and so on as follows. So we are writing expanded form, 432. How we are writing this? 400 plus 30 plus 2. Like this we are writing, the same only here. 0.666 and so on can be written as 0.6 plus 0.06 plus 0.006 plus and so on. So this series definitely form and GP. How to check this forms and GP now? We have to check like this. That is T2 minus T1. Find this value and T3 divide by T2. Find this value. Both will get equal values. Okay. So this series can form GP. First term, that is A 0.6, R equal to T2 by T1, 0.06 divided by 0.6. To remove the decimal point, multiply and divide with 100. Here the point will be moved here. In this denominator, we get 60. So we will get 6 by 60. 6 ones are 6 tens are. We get 1 by 10. Where here minus 1 is, that is 1 by 10 lies between minus 1 and 1. Then only you can apply, that is infinity, It goes on, there is no limit. Number of terms we doesn't know. Infinite series, that is. So we have to using the infinite GP formula. We have 0.66 and so on equal to right 0.6 plus 0.06 plus 0.006 plus and so on. So here A first term 0.6 we know already. Next R is we find here 1 by 10. S infinity formula. S infinity formula is A by 1 minus R. Substitute in that formula equal to 0.6 divided by 1 minus R is 1 by 10. So simplify the denominator. Multiply and divide by 10. We will get 10 minus 1 by 10. 10 minus 1 by 10 we will get 9 by 10. So 0.6 divided by 9 by 10. Take reciprocal of this. We will get 10 by 9. Cancel this here. 3 3s are 3 0.3. Otherwise multiply and cancel next. So 0.6 into 10 you will get 6 by 9. So here 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. You will get 2 by 3. So 0.666 and so on can be represented as rational number as 2 by 3. So that only I wrote here. Equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, the last step, thus the rational number equivalent to 0.6666 is 2 by 3. So, example 2.52. Find the least positive integer such that 1 plus 6 plus 6 square plus and so on plus 6 power n is greater than 5000. So, we are going to find here least positive n value. If you add these sequence, you will get greater than 5000. The n value we are going to find. Okay, least positive integer that should be greater than 5000. Okay, the sum should be greater than 5000. So we have to find the least number of terms for which the sum must be greater than 5000. So that is to find the least value of n. So what for that values of n, the whole sum should be greater than 5000. That value we are going to find. Okay, so Sn should be greater than 5000. Yeah, A, the series A equal to 1, R equal to T2 by T1, will get 6 by 1, will get 6, which is greater than 1. So R is greater than 1, I have to use Sn formula. Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 if R is greater than 1. Okay, now substitute in this. So A is 1, 6, R is 6 power n minus 1 by 6 minus 1 should be greater than 5000. Okay, now multiply with 1, I will get the same. 6 power n minus 1 by 6 minus 1 will get 5, greater than 5000. So send this 5 to the RHS side, will get into 5. 5000 into 5 will get 25,000. 6 power n minus 1 is greater than 25,000. Send this minus 1 to that side, it will plus 1. 6 power n is greater than 25,000 plus 1 will get 25,001. So you are going to find the powers of 6 now. So 6 power 1 is 6. 6 square 36. 6 cube is 216. 6 power 4 is 1296. 6 power 5 is 7776. 6 power 6 will be 46,656. Here 6 power n should be greater than 25,000 now. Which is the least number here, that is greater than 25,000. Which is the least number greater than 25,000 is definitely this one, you know, 46,656. So what is the power of 6 here? 6. So 6 power 6. So write this, since 6 power 5 is 7,776 and 6 power 6 is 46,656. There should be the least positive value of n should be 6. So you understand why you are taking 6? Then only the sum will be greater than 25,001. So 1 plus 6 plus 6 square plus and so on plus 6 power n is greater than 500. It will be like this now, the n value should be 6. So did you understand this? Move on to next example. 2.53. A person saved money every year half as much as he could in the previous year. If he had totally saved rupees 7,875 in 6 years, then how much did he save in the first year? So a person saved money every year, he is saving money. How much he is saving now? Half as much he put in the previous year. Suppose he saved 100 rupees in first year, now half of should be 50. So what is half in 100? 50. Next year this half 25. Like this he is saving his money. So what we are going to find now? What is the how much he saved in the first year? Totally he saved. The total amount they given rupees 7,875. We are going to find the first year how much he saved. First year na, that should be A value. Okay. So total amount saved in 6 years equal to 7,875. So S6 equal to 7,875. Since he saved half as much money as every year he saved in the previous year, then definitely R should be 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is less than 1, you know. So R is less than 1, I have to use Sn equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. So S6 we know 7,875. Substitute in this formula. A into 1 minus R is 1 by 2 whole power 6. N value is 6. Divide by R, 1 minus R na, 1 minus 1 by 2 equal to 7,875. So A into 1 minus 1 power 6, 1 only, 2 power 6 you will get 64. Divide by here, take LCM 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to 7,875. Here also take LCM, multiply and divide with 64. You will get 64. A into 64 minus 1 by 64 divided by 2 minus 1 by 2, you will get 1 by 2 equal to 7,875. So 64 minus 1 you will get 63 by 64. So A into 63 by 64. So 1 by 2 take reciprocal, you will get 2 by 1 equal to 7,875. Cancel this 2 ones are 232 sir. So A into 32 by, sorry, A into 63 divided by 32 equal to 7,875. So send this number to the RHS side, it will take reciprocal. So 7,875 into 32 divided by 63. So cancel this in 63 ones are 63, 125 sir you will get. So A equal to 125 into 32, you will get 4,000. So the amount is saved in the first year should be 4,000.